Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit page timing in Canva. If you're creating a presentation, a video, or a social media reel, page timing controls how long each page stays on screen when you play or export your design. Getting this right makes your content feel smooth, polished, and easy to follow. Whether you're trying to keep your audience engaged in a video or give your customers time to read important information on your Shopify store's promotional banners, page timing plays a crucial role in setting the right pace. Start by opening your project. Along the bottom of your workspace, you'll see your pages laid out as thumbnails. These are the individual pages or slides in your design. Hover your mouse over the page you want to adjust. You don't need to click it yet. Hovering just helps you focus on the correct page while you make your change. This step is super helpful when you have a project with multiple pages, like a product showcase or a multi-slide presentation, and you want to make sure you're adjusting the timing on the right page. Now, look up to the top of the editor. You'll see a toolbar that runs across the screen. In that toolbar, find the small clock icon. It usually shows the current timing for the selected page, displayed in seconds. This is your page timing control. Click the clock icon to open the timing controls. A slider will appear that lets you adjust how long the page stays on screen. Drag the slider left for a shorter duration, or right for a longer one. As you move it, watch the number update so you can land on a duration that fits your pacing. If you're designing something like a social media reel or an ad for your Shopify store, finding the right timing will help you keep your content engaging, but not too long that you lose your audience's attention. If you prefer precise control, click directly on the time value and type in the exact duration you want. This is helpful when you're matching timing to a voiceover, a beat in music, or keeping multiple pages consistent. For example, if you're syncing a product description with a voiceover, you can match the timing exactly to ensure everything flows seamlessly. Once you've set the time, that's it. The change applies instantly to that page. You'll see the updated time reflected next to the clock icon, which confirms your adjustment. This makes it easy to track changes and ensure your timing is just how you want it, without having to guess or recheck constantly. If it doesn't feel right later, just click the clock again and fine-tune the slider or re-enter the number. You can repeat the same process for any other page in your project, one at a time, to create a smooth rhythm across your entire design. This step is particularly useful when working with multiple pages, like when you're creating a slideshow for your website or a series of product images for an online store. Consistency in page timing across the project helps create a polished and cohesive look. A few helpful notes as you work. Shorter durations keep things snappy and energetic, while longer durations allow viewers more time to read or appreciate visuals. For example, if you have a page with a lot of text, consider a longer duration to give your audience enough time to read everything comfortably. If you're syncing to narration, aim for a duration that matches the time it takes to speak that page's content naturally. If you're making a video for your Shopify store, where you're introducing a new collection or explaining product details, make sure your timing aligns with the pacing of your speech. And remember, clean pacing is often about consistency. Use similar timing for similar pages so your audience knows what to expect. For instance, if one product slide gets 5 seconds, the next should too, to keep the flow steady and predictable. That's all you need to edit page timing in Canva. Open your project, hover over the page you want, click the clock icon in the top toolbar, and adjust using the slider or by typing a time. Simple, precise, and fast. By mastering page timing, you'll create videos, presentations, and social media content that feel well-paced, professional, and engaging. Happy designing!